Alright, this is the final lesson here today. We're going to attach the crayon poles to the top of the platform here to keep a child from walking off one of these empty spaces here. These can be a little tricky, so there'll probably be some mess ups in this video. You may have to pause it and rewind it a couple times. But these are a little bit tricky to attach. So you should have a final assembly that looks something like this. Go ahead and open that up and then place about 15 crayon poles into your platform. Assembly here. There's 10. Alright, there's 15. Alright, we're going to match up where these corners are at first. So we're going to select the bottom here. And we're going to mate it to this corner right here. And then we're going to take the center axle and offset that on each side of the platform. So click this side of the platform. It's going to be offset -4 inches. Click apply. Click the side here, -4. Okay. Do the same thing. All the other poles here. In fact, if you get that green dot right there, you don't even have to offset them, I don't think. Let's see and make sure that's correct. Yeah, they're stationed right there, so good. If you can get that green dot, we can just place it right on those corner pieces, and that'll make things a lot easier for us to start off with. So get that green dot on the bottom, and get that green dot here in the circle. We don't have to even fool with the offset. That'll save us some time. Alright, so we got all the corner pieces, with the exception of this back corner, but that's because there's a pole there. Alright, now these other ones, we're going to get the bottom piece here. We're going to attach it to the top of the platform. Now we will have to offset these. So we're going to select center axle to the side, -4. Select apply. And then what we're going to do is we're going to tangent constraint these so they're next to each other. We're going to offset them 6 inches. Okay? So that takes care of that one. Let's match up another one here. Back to mate. That's what you got to make sure you do. Switch them back to mate. Okay. Let's apply that. Let's go ahead and place one more over here. Alright, now let's offset these. This side, -4. Okay, and then we're going to offset it over here too. You may have to zoom in here. Side of the platform, side here, -4. Alright, now I need to tangent constraint both of these. I want them 6 inches apart. There we go for that one. And tangent constraint both of these. Alright, so that sort of protects our bottom down here. Maybe one more down here in this corner. Attach it to this top of the platform. Apply. And then center axle to the side. -4, apply, and then tangent constraint this piece and this piece 6 inches apart. Alright, so our bottom is pretty well covered up here. Maybe you could put one more right here. Mate. Bottom piece here to the top. Center axle to the side. -4, apply, tangent constraint, side, 6 inches. There we go. Now, we're going to put a couple of on this top here. We're going to say mate, the bottom of this, top up here, apply. Same principle, center axle, side of the platform, -4, apply, tangent constraint, this piece to this piece, 6 inches apart. And you'll do that with these last 3 here. Tangent constraint, top of the surface. If you've got this, and you can probably go ahead and wrap this up, this video. To color these, you just click on one of the poles over here in the browser. Change your color up here at the top. We'll show you how to do that in just a second. So we offset this one 6 inches. Two more mates here. Let's make this one. Go ahead and do them at the same time here. Apply and apply. Okay, then we're going to center axle to the side, -4. Apply, center axle to the side, -4. And we're going to tangent constraint these about 6 inches apart. Alright, we probably need one more in there, so we'll add one more crayon pole. Place that, and then make the sign to the side there, -4. Apply, and tangent constraint this piece. Whoop, cancel that. Constrain, tangent, side, side. Whoops. I don't know what happened there. Alright, constrain, tangent, this piece, and this piece. Not sure why that one's getting off there, but we'll go ahead and delete that. The rest of those should be fine. If you want to change the color of the pole, simply select one of these poles over here. Come up here, and you can change all of them at once by highlighting them all, or you can pick them one at a time. Maybe give them all a different little color there. Let's go with color we don't have up here. Let's get a sky blue. And notice that crayon pole right there turned blue. Let's pick this one since we can see it a little easier. Let's turn it gold here. Click off there, and you can just change each one of these to fit whatever color you want, or you can leave them black. Whatever floats your boat there. And there we go. And then you're going to say this is your final assembly. What I want you to do is when you finish that, let me come around and take a look at it, make sure you got everything there. And that completes our lesson on the PLTW playground.